Hey guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you the OS on my website. So you can either click the OS button or go to os.softwaretutorial.co.uk. So if I press that, it will take you to this thing like this where you can log in. Well, it's called eyeOS. It's basically a cloud operating system where you can just like have a small operating system online. So if you're like on the go and you want to access some files, you can upload your files onto here, and then you can just go to this site, os.softwaretutorial.co.uk, and you'll be able to access all your stuff. You can host this yourself on your own website, but it is not recommended if you're using a free host, because I have to give everyone a certain amount of space. So everyone who signs up to this gets 1 GB of space. But if you're with a free host, you won't be able to give that much. And also, some hosts don't even allow eyeOS to be installed because it uses a lot of bandwidth. So when you're on the website, just press New User and just sign up. Just put in your user, password, and retype your password, create account, and that's it. You can change language, but I've only got English set up. Then you type in your username. I'm root at the moment because that's the main account. Then type in my password and enter. And it will take you to this nice looking operating system. What you can also do is you can view it in full screen. So you can view the whole thing in full screen, and it looks quite nice. So you can access this from anywhere if you've got the internet, and you can upload your files. As I said, you get 1 GB free. So it has this nice little docky thingy at the top with some sections: Office, Network, Accessories, Game, System, Places. If I open them, it's got File Manager, Word Processor, Spreadsheet Creator, Presentation Creator, a Mail Client, a Calendar, and a Contact Manager. On Network, it's got like a forum kind of thing, an FTP client, internal messaging. This is kind of different to email client because this is where you can email people in iOS, which is really useful. Navigator, which is like a browser. RSS feed reader, where you can read your RSS feeds. Accessories, it's got calculator, text editor, actions widgets, messages widgets, calendar widget, and home widget. In games, it's got a chess game and a Tetravex game. System, it's got a process manager, which is kind of like task manager. And in place, it's got home, desktop, trash, public, groups. So if you right click on this desktop thing, you can go to upload files, new folder, new file, new launcher, paste, refresh, and preferences. So if I go to upload files, you can do simple, advanced, or web. So you could even get a file from the web. So if I go to simple, browse, it will search your main computer for something. So if I go to music, I will just upload some random music, and I'll just pause it. Okay, so it came up with a pop-up that said this file was successfully uploaded, and as you can see, it ends up here on the desktop. And if you right click it, you can open with, and you can open with the application. You can download it onto your desktop. You can download it as a zip file. You can share with another user, so it will send it to the other user's desktop. You can delete it, rename, copy, and look at some properties. You can just look at the size, the author, the file time, and the path. So I would recommend double clicking on home, double clicking on music, and then just dragging it in to music. Just drag it into music. And now you got it in music. What you can do, you can just double click it. It'll open it in this weird MP3 player, and you can actually play it, which is really cool. So that's about it really. If I just go to the preferences and show you some of these, you won't be able to see the administration section. That's just because it's like my thingy. It's for the admin. You can go to About Me, where you can put in your name and email. You can change your password, change the language, and you can get more translations. You can change the look of the desktop, so you can change like the background color, you can change the wallpaper. You go to settings, you can change some other stuff, and if you go to theme, you can even change the theme, and you can see a little preview. There's default, there's classic, there's iFusion, which is a nice black theme, light desktop, and oxygen, which is another nice black theme, but I like the default. And then there's my administration, and then auto run commands. You can set stuff to open on when it starts. iOS board, this is just how often it refreshes. Security, protects sessions by IP. And then navigator, which is the web browser. You can change the start page. I've got mine to Google. You can do it iframe or anonymous. I'd really recommend iframe. You can export your bookmarks and stuff, and import bookmarks, which is really cool, from say like Firefox on your main PC. So that is it really. It's just a little online operating system. So thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you like my videos, please comment, rate, subscribe, and thanks again.